These delicious crumb muffins are soft, buttery, and moist even the second and third day, and no one will know they are gluten-free. Here are your ingredients for the muffins. And remember, you can always scroll down to see the ingredients list posted below the description. Be sure to eliminate the xanthan gum if it's already in your flour mix. And here are your ingredients for the topping. This recipe makes 12 muffins. Line your muffin tins with muffin liners. Taller, bakery-style liners hold the crumb topping better, but regular liners are fine too. Then preheat your oven and we'll start with the crumb topping. Combine all of your dry ingredients. Then cut in the butter. You don't want to use a mixer, as that would cream the butter and sugars. Use a fork or a pastry tool and continue to cut in the butter until all the flour is incorporated. Then set this aside. Now to start the muffins. In a small bowl, combine the flour mix, the xanthan gum if you're adding it, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. You can use a whisk or a spoon to combine the ingredients. Then set this aside. Then in a mixing bowl, we'll cream the butter and the sugar. Start on low speed and gradually increase to high speed. Turn the mixer off and add your eggs one at a time, beating after each addition. Stop to scrape down the sides of the bowl and the beater, then beat again. Then turn the speed to low to add your vanilla. In another small bowl, combine the yogurt and the sour cream, stirring well to combine. Now, to the butter-sugar mixture, we'll add a third of the flour mixture, alternating with 1/2 of the yogurt mixture, stirring after each addition. We want to stir, not beat this, to achieve light, fluffy cake. You should begin and end with the flour mixture. Then stir just until the flour is incorporated. Divide the dough between your 12 muffin cups. And bake in your preheated 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the muffins from the oven and add your topping, dividing it between the 12 muffins, working quickly. Return the muffins to the oven for another 15 to 18 minutes or until the tester comes out clean. Carefully remove the muffins from the hot tin to stop the baking process. And your muffins are ready to enjoy. Please hit the thumbs up to like this video and see my playlist to enjoy more of the delicious gluten-free recipes I created as a labor of love for my family. And thanks for watching.